To make a trifle, first gather your materials. You'll need soft, bite-sized fruit like strawberries or blueberries, sherry, and whipped cream. You'll also need jam or jelly, and a custard that complement the flavors of your cake. To start, chop and mash your fruit. Then, cut your cake into 1/2 inch, 1.3 centimeters, thick squares. Layer the bottom of a tall glass bowl with 1/3 of your cake squares. Brush your cake with some sherry, then cover it with jam or jelly. Next, spread another 1/3 of your mashed fruit on top of the cake, and then add 1/3 of your custard over the mashed fruit. Top the custard with a thin layer of whipped cream before you begin again with a layer of cake. Continue layering your cake, sherry, jelly, fruit, custard, and whipped cream until you get to the top of the bowl. Serve and enjoy.